sit down on my butt, use my feet and my hands, and pull it up. My feet.
You're funny, dude.
I'm not a very strong fella, so just set it on there. Lug nuts.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
That's right. Get one on, then you can let go of it. Start the rest of them. Great background music.
That's alright.
Okay, let's get them all started. Grab the gun.
What size bolt is that?
It's a 19 millimeter.
19 millimeter.
And then just run one on. Usually go every other one, so the rim sets in there right, because they're beveled in here where the lug nut goes.
They're beveled.
Acorn, they call them.
Acorned.
And when you tighten them up, it sets the rim like it's supposed to be. So go every other one. And then you can let it down once you get it, and then torque them to factory specs.
Yes, after you get this done, let the tire down off the jack and retighten them up to factory specs. This is just while the tire is in the air. See, the tire is in the air. We will let it down now and
Grunt on them. Again, sit down, use your feet and your hands. Set it up on there.
use your feet and your hands and you can set it on there. See how he has his feet right here?
This is really how I do it. I stick one lug nut on and grab my impact, run it on, and that way it's on there. Start your lug nuts again. Again, tighten every other one.
After you get them all put on, you're going to want to tighten every other one to make the tire sit on flush. So every other one, go through and tighten it.
Yeah, we can let it down. Make sure everything's out from underneath the truck. No kids, cats, or dogs.
Now we're going to let the tire down. You're going to want to make sure everything is clear from underneath the truck before you let the jack down. Make sure all tools, everything is clear to let the jack down.
Jack it up just a little bit, bring it off the jack stands. Always use jack stands. Don't ever get underneath the vehicle without jack stands.
You want to say that again, Sean?
Do not ever get underneath the vehicle without jack stands. That's a must.
Don't just have a jack holding the car up if you're going to get underneath it. Have jack stands underneath it as an extra safety precaution.
And those jacks by scope. Let her down easy, you know. Make sure nobody's gonna get crushed.
Let it down easy. Once the tire is on the ground, go through and tighten them all back up. Again, in an alternating pattern, every other one. In an alternating pattern, go back through and tighten them all up until they're completely tight. Don't over tighten them. Usually I just go around 3 times and make sure they're all snug. Like I said, you don't have to crank on these and over tighten them, but go around and make sure that they are tight.
Three times around. 16. Little snug, so you ain't gotta crank them, you burly guys. That's good.
I am literally just giving you guys views of different tires that we had to take on and off for different projects, just so you guys can know and have a visualization of what it will look like. Well, I had a hard time saying that word, but yeah, this is just a view of what it's like putting on and cranking on the different tires.
Got to get it done, fellas. I like these rims gold, man.
This is the front passenger tire being taken off here. Again, I'm just giving you guys a visualization of what it looks like taking off and on different tires, torquing them and everything, that a way you guys can know when you are doing it. Here's some pretty awesome footage of what it will look like if you have to change a tire at night. We had some flashlights. Hopefully you guys will have some flashlights. If not, it will really suck, but we did it with flashlights because we were trying to complete a job we were doing. This is what it looks like putting on a tire at night, guys. Please remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Right is clockwise, left is counterclockwise. Remember that when you are tightening anything down or taking anything apart. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.